Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobswell channel. I wish you are all safe at home. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 17th April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Indian Army observed which edition of Siachen Day on April 13, 2020? So it is 36th edition of Siachen Day. Why on April 13? Because on April 13, 1984, the Indian Army launched the Operation Meghdoot at Siachen to secure different passes from Pakistan attack. Question number 2. India has tightened the curbs on import of which refined oil by putting more conditions? So it is palm oil. Question number 3. How many Indians have been awarded the 2020 Guggenheim Fellowship? So it is 4. So 4 Indian Americans awarded with a prestigious US Fellowship for their accomplishment and exceptional promises. So some GK related to USA. USA capital is Washington DC. Its president is Donald Trump and currency is dollar. Question number 4. World Art Day is observed on 15th April every year to honor and mark the birthday of which artist? So it is Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 5. Which state has launched the electronic format of comic book textbook for class 3, 4 and 5? So it is Manipur. So some GK related to Manipur. Manipur capital is Imphal. Its CM is N. Biren Singh and governor is Najma Nepthullah. Question number 6. Which IIT institution has developed the affordable antimicrobial spray based coating for personal protective equipment? So it is designed by IIT Guwahati. Question number 7. Which national park has set up India's first quarantine facility for the animals? So it is done by the oldest national park, that is Jim Corbett National Park. It is present in Uttarakhand. Question number 8. Fit India along with which organization will organize first ever live fitness session for school students in the second phase of lockdown? So it is done with CBSE. So CBSE headquarters present in New Delhi and Anita Karwal is chairperson. Question number 9. Which of the following have joined hands to develop the vaccine for COVID-19? So it is by Sanofi and GSK. Sanofi is a French-based pharma company. Question number 10. Which of the following has acquired Nigeria-based Grant Petroleum's lubricant asset? So it is done by GP Global. Question number 11. Who became the first professional player of Pakistan to die after contracting the novel coronavirus? So it is Zafar Sarfraz. Question number 12. Who among the following has won the 13th International Prize for Arabic Fiction? So it is won by option number B, Abledh Hub Aisoui. Question number 13. BSNL in partnership with which of the following banks has launched a UPI based platform Bharat InstaPay? So it is with State Bank of India. So State Bank of India headquarters present in Mumbai. Its chairperson is Rajnish Kumar and BSNL headquarters present in New Delhi. Praveen Kumar Purwar is chairman and MD. Question number 14. Which ministry has announced a training program on COVID-19 from April 7, 2020 for healthcare professionals from SAARC countries? So it is Ministry of External Affairs. So who is the minister? His name is S. Jaishankar. Question number 15. And some GK related to SAARC. SAARC full form is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Its headquarters present in Kathmandu. Question number 15. Which of the following announced that Asia economic growth in 2020 will grind to a halt, that means to zero, for the first time in 60 years because of the coronavirus crisis? So it is by International Monetary Fund. So some GK related to IMF. Its headquarters present in Washington DC. It was found on 27th December 1945. And Christian Lea Georgieva its MD. Question number 16. Roger Chaput died due to COVID-19 in April 2020. He was related to which sport? So he was related to ice hockey team of Switzerland. So some GK related to Switzerland. Switzerland capital is Zurich and its currency is Swiss franc. Question number 17. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Care Rating for 5 years commencing from 15th April 2020? So it is by option number D, Ajay Mahajan. Question number 18. Vineet Arora has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which insurance company? So it is Paytm General Insurance Company. So some GK related to Paytm. Paytm headquarters present in Noida and Vijay Shekhar Sharma is president. Last question of the day. Ranjit Chaudhary passed away recently. He was related to which field? So he was a actor. So this is the current affair of 17th April 2020. I will attach this PDF in the description box. You can download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and be happy and keep studying. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.